Hello, my name is Rob Reynolds, and I'm going to show you today how to complete the square. This is a difficult concept, but it even becomes more difficult when we have a leading coefficient, which you need to factor out. So I'll begin by factoring out a 3 because we want a leading coefficient of a 1. So factoring out a 3 gives us x squared plus 1/3 x, and I'm actually going to move the 1/2 on the other side. So at this point, to complete the square, we're going to take half the middle term and square it. So this is difficult because the middle term is a fraction. So to take half of 1/3, we could divide by 2, but it's easier if we multiply by a half. So remember that completing the square says take half the middle term and then square it. So 1/6 squared is 1/36. And it looks like I'm going to add 1/36 to this side and 1/36 to this side, but I cannot. This term is actually incorrect because I'm not actually adding 1/36 to the left side. I'm actually adding 3 times that because I have a leading coefficient out here. So 3 times 1/36 is the actual weight that I'm adding to both sides, which is 3/36, which reduces to 1/12. So on the left side, I'm going to hang on to that 3, and I'm left with x plus some number. And remember, the sum number is always just half of the middle term. So I did my work right here. Half the middle term is 1/6, and that's what goes here. I don't need to really concentrate and think about factors of 1/36 that add up to 1/3. I'm just always going to take half of the middle term. In this case, 1/6. And this will equal not 1/36. This will equal 1/2 plus 1/12. So I'll get common denominators of 12. So this is 6/12 plus 1/12 for a total of 7/12. Next, I would like to try to get rid of the 3, so we'll multiply both sides by 1/3. And so give us 7/36. So next, to get rid of the squaring, I'll take the square root. Remember, every time you take the square root, we get 2 answers though. And so this is plus or minus the square root of 7 over the square root of 36. And then subtracting off 1/6 from both sides. And I'd probably write the final answer, -1 plus or minus the square root of 7 divided by 6. I hope this helps.